Hi children, in this video we will do question number 3 and question number 4. Now, third question. What is the third question? In a magic square, the sum of the numbers in each row, each column along the diagonals is the same. Is this a magic square? Magic square means what? Sum of each row. This is a row. This is row 1. R1 means this is the first row. This is the second row and this is the third row. If all the three rows sum and this is the first column, C1 means first column, C2 means second column and C3 means third column. What is the question? The sum of the numbers in each row sum and each column, all the three columns sum and along the diagonals is the same. They are asking whether it is same or not. If it is same, we can say that this is a magic square. Diagonal means what? This is the first diagonal and this is the second diagonal. This means this 4 by 11 this way. This is the first diagonal. This is the first diagonal and second diagonal. Two diagonals are there. We already learned, is it? So, if the sum of row 1, R2, R3 and C1, C2, C3. Sum of 3 rows and sum of 3 columns and sum of 2 diagonals. If all that answers are same, we can say that this is a magic square. Okay. So, let us find out the row 1, R1. R1, row 1 answer 4 by 11 plus 9 by 11 plus 2 by 11. 4 by 11, 9 by 11 plus 2 by 11. Row 1 means first row. R1 means first row. And you can see that they all are like fractions. If it is a like fraction, you have to add only the numerator. 4 plus 9, what is the answer? 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 by 11. See, we got the first row answer as 15 by 11. Now you take R2, row 2. R2 means second row, 3 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 7 by 11. Okay, like fractions, so add only the numerator. 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7, again you got the answer 15 by 11. Okay, now you take the third row, R3. R3, which all fractions are there in R3? 8 by 11 plus 1 by 11 plus 6 by 11. So, what you can say 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 6, again you got the answer 15 by 11. Okay, then take the first column. C1. C1 means first column. First column, which all numbers are there? 4 by 11 plus 3 by 11 plus 8 by 11. Now add it. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 8, again you got the answer 15 by 11. Take C2, that means column 2. Again 9 by 11, 5 by 11, 1 by 11. 9 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 1 by 11. What is the answer you got? 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 1. Again you got the answer 15 by 11. Now take the third row. Third row. 2 by 11, 7 by 11, 6 by 11. 2 by 11 plus 7 by 11 plus 6 by 11. What is the answer you got? 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 6, again you got the answer 15 by 11. Now we have to check diagonal wise. Diagonal D1, first diagonal. Take the first diagonal. 2 by 11, 5 by 11, 8 by 11. So, 2 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 8 by 11. 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 8, 15 by 11. Okay. Now you check diagonal 2, Diagonal 2, 4 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 6 by 11. So what is the answer? 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 6. Again you got the answer 15. So we can see that here the sum of each row and sum of all the columns and sum of all the diagonals. How many diagonals are here? 2 diagonals are there, and sum of all everything is 15 by 11. So we can say that therefore this is a magic square. This is a magic square. So we can write it as this is a magic square. What is the reason? Sum of all the rows, sum of all the columns and the diagonals, you got the same answer. So we can say this is a magic square. I think this answer is clear. R1 means first row, R2 means second row, R3 means third row, C1 means the first column, second column, third column, and diagonal. Diagonal is this. One diagonal and this is the other diagonal. Okay, 2 diagonals, and just add everything. If you are getting the same answer, that means this is a magic square. Okay. Now the next question. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 centimeter long. Long means what? Length. And 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Wide means what? Breadth. And find its perimeter. We know, we already studied. How will we find the perimeter of a rectangle? What is given there in the question? Length is given there. What is the length? 12 1 by 2 centimeter. How will we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction? 12 into 2, 24. 24 plus 1, 25 by 2 centimeter. Now you write the breadth. When you are writing the statement, you write down length of a rectangular sheet of paper, breadth of a rectangular sheet of paper. Okay. Breadth is equal to 10 2 by 3 centimeter. That is 3 into 10, 30, 30 plus 2, 32 by 3 centimeter. And we already studied the formula for finding perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter means what? Sum of the length of all the sides of a closed figure, is it? And we already studied one formula for finding perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula? 2 into L plus B. Okay, what is the formula of finding perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B. And it is given here length. What is the length here? 25 by 2 plus what is the breadth here? 32 by 3. Okay, then solve it. 2 into, this bracket means 2 into 25. What is LCM of? Look at this. This is unlike fraction addition, is it? So if the denominators are different, what you have to do? You have to find the LCM. Just do the calculation. Here you do the calculation. 25 by 2 plus 32 by 3. What is LCM? LCM is 6. Okay. Then 25 by 2 is equal to 25 by 2 into which number give the answer? 6, 3. So multiply here 3 also. 25 into 3, what is the answer? 75 by 6. Like the same way, write 32 by 3 is equal to 32 by 3. 3 into which number give the answer? 6. 3 into 2. So what you will get here? Here also 2. What is the answer? 64 by 6. 64 by 6. So write the fraction here. 75 by 6 plus 64 by 6. Okay. Here the denominators are different. You find the LCM, find out the equivalent fraction. So we got two equivalent fractions having same denominators. So they are like fractions. If you got the like fractions only, we can add the numerator, is it? So what is the answer? What is the answer here? 2 into 75 plus 64. What is the answer? 75 plus 64 is 139 by 6. Okay, 139 by 6. is equal to 2 into 139, or otherwise you can do the shortcut method. We already studied shortcut method. By dividing by a common factor, what you will get? 139 by 3. 139 by 3. If you don't know the shortcut method, you multiply it and do the division. Okay. So the question is a mixed number. So we want the answer and also mixed number. So do the division. 139 divided by 3. What is the answer? 4 3s are 12. 3 minus 2 1. 1 minus 1 0. Bring down 9. What is the answer? 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. 18. 9 minus 8 1. And 1 minus 1 0. So how will we write the mixed number? 46. Quotient, remainder by divisor. So what is the answer you got? 46 1 by 3 centimeter. What is the perimeter for that rectangular sheet? 46 1 by 3. What is the final answer? 46 1 by 3 centimeter. Here the measures are given in mixed numbers. So we have tried the final answer and also mixed number. So what we find out here? Just go to the answer one more time. What is given there in the question? A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 centimeter long. Length is given there, breadth is given there. We have to find the perimeter. If the length and breadth is there, we already studied the formula finding perimeter of a rectangle. So what is the formula? 2 into L plus B. L means length, B means breadth. So just add these two fractions, 25 by 2 and 32 by 3. They are unlike fractions. So find the LCM, find the equivalent fraction. What are the equivalent fractions we got? 75 by 6 plus 64 by 6. If you want, you can do the cross multiplication also, no problem for that, okay. Now add it. This bracket means into. So 2 into 139. Instead of doing the long multiplication, shortcut method you can use. So 139 by 3. Question is a mixed number. So we need the answer and also mixed number. So what answer we got? What answer we got here? 46 1 by 3 centimeter. Hope these questions are clear for everyone. Thank you children.